Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special head unit from Mercedes Smart Fortwo 2015 to 2022 years. Okay, it comes with special harness and camera and other parts. This canvas decoder for Smart Fortwo. Smart canvas decoder. There plug connector and this one and another one you can check. Okay, it is plug and play. Okay, let me show head unit. You can check the volume and you can choose the time. You can choose logo. Lamp brace, you can choose the app, Bluetooth. This will open the Bluetooth when you connect, and you can set the app. This is Belsee.com, okay. And settings. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address, you can contact us. The email editor, you can adjust any color with green, blue, any color you can adjust this panel. It's gray, it's red. Okay. All apps are here. You can check this auto link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This is wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And Play Store, you can download the applications from Play Store. It's Google Maps, built in the Google Maps. Okay. And let me check settings. Android 11 system. And then you can memory total 8 GB. And storage 128 GB. Okay, and Wi-Fi, built in the Wi-Fi, and this display style, you can choose it here. This total 8 theme style. Okay, when you back to home, you can choose launcher. Okay, change the home style. You also choose the other theme style. 6. Let me check. 6. Yes, 6. Okay, when you click again, it will show the user car launcher is home. You can set always. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. This Bluetooth, and click search button. Your phone will get message. Please click pair. Okay, connected. Show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. Okay, it works with the Bluetooth phone call. and you can stream music from your phone. Okay. This home button, you can listen music from it. Dispute music and their music. Okay. Is DSP amplifier. And sub out. Balance. Okay. And you can this radio. Search the radio stations and built-in Google Maps. It's built in Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. You can watch a video. Okay. That's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. You can visit our website belsee.com, contact us. Okay, thank you.